we're officially starting the van build, and we are so excited for that, even though we don't have all the plans of all the things that we have to do in order, but we'll get through that. So we started by cleaning all the floors, so making sure that it's all clean and dust free, because the first thing that we are going to do is putting the acoustic insulation. Is it called acoustic insulation? Sound insulation.
Sound deadener. That's the correct.
Okay. And Simo is currently cleaning also the door, the passenger door, because yesterday we finally received the door handle. We put it in, it's working perfectly, and now we are cleaning. Simo is cleaning the door because we're putting a sound deadener also on the door.
Yep.
We decided to go with the Kill Mat sound deadener because we read so many reviews about different sound deadeners, and we found that this in Italy, where we are converting the van right now, is the best one so far. So we just decided to go for this. We have around 30 pieces, 34. And we're going to apply it on the walls, on the floor, and the doors, and around the wheel covers. Oh, I'm so excited! Okay. Ooh. It seems like
Is it
pongo.
sticky?
It's sticky, but it seems like pongo. It's okay here, Simo?
Yeah, you don't need to put it exactly straight.
Wow. Is it really happening?
Never thought of doing this on Arthur.
No.
This loudy boy.
But I think that while sleeping it will be such a good thing.
Yeah, even if we are mostly nature.
Yeah.
It's always good.
I think that this is the most difficult thing I've ever done right now. That's it, Simo?
Yeah.
What do you think? I think that that's okay.
Give it to me 1 sec.
It's a little bit just...
It's strange because there was like a fold.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got this one here because it was cheaper, and if I haven't told you, we are doing this DIY van in the most cheaper way as possible and with upcycled materials as much as we can. Of course, we cannot get upcycled sound deadener because it's not possible, but we're doing it as cheap as possible. And this one was the cheapest one on Amazon, but we just realized that it's not the best one. There are other ones that I put the photo here so you can see them that are more appropriate for this job, but of course they are a little bit more expensive. So yeah, either you can get this one and spend a little bit more time to attach it well, or you can get the other ones that are a bit more expensive, but I think it would be easier. But wait, we have this one and we're going to use this one.
have you done to yourself?
Arthur hit me.
Or you hit Arthur?
No, it's a cut with the material.
Patty.
Patty.
Yeah, the stucco patty.
The thing to cover the holes,
Yeah.
and while applying the sound deadener, I just got one and it cut me, and it hurts a lot. It hurts. I kind of lost a lot of blood, but I was nearly fainting inside.
Really?
Yeah. It's just because I don't like it when these things happen. Neither on me, neither on other people. So I was like, I need to sit down. Then my mom did this thing to me.
The show must go on.
Alright, so we have finished applying all the sound deadener, and it took longer than what we thought, but it's so worth it and we're so happy about it. Like, we have to get used to how the van looks right now, but we're not stopping for today. We just put down all the places where the wood will go, the wood as a foundation for our floor. So now Simo is going to bring out everything to cut the wood, and we will start measuring it and putting it down. First one went in! I'm so excited! It's gonna be tall. We did it this tall because we have 3 centimeters of insulation,
Yep.
so that then we will put plywood on top.
Mm-hmm.
And then on top again, we will put the actual floor.
Yeah.
So we wanted to have a good insulation because I always remember that I had to wear socks because I was always cold. My
Yeah.
feet were always cold. So we decided to have a good insulation on the floor. That's gotta be it. In case we can put one like this too, yes.
Yeah, to keep it straight.
Oh, okay, right.
All of them.
You're good, you're good.
But also,
Yeah.
as a structure, we can use this.
At the end.
Yeah,
And
at
put
the
it
end.
here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Voilà.
Does it fit?
It fits
Perfectly.
perfectly. Just ordered the floor. It's kind of big this time.